Do you ever feel stressed about money? The constant worry of bills, unexpected costs, and saving for the future can make anyone feel anxious. But what if there was a way to take that stress and turn it into something positive? What if you could feel in control of your finances, stay calm, and even improve your financial situation no matter what life throws your way? In today's video, we'll talk about 5 smart ways to handle money stress and anxiety. Simple strategies that can really make a difference. These are easy tips you can use to reduce stress, take charge of your money, and feel confident about your future. Let's dive in. 1. Get clear on your financial priorities. When it comes to managing money, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of goals and responsibilities we face. From paying off debt to saving for retirement, the list can seem endless. But the truth is, getting clear on your priorities is one of the best ways to relieve financial stress. By organizing your goals and focusing on what truly matters, you can simplify your financial journey and reduce the pressure that comes with trying to do everything at once. One of the best ways to do this is by using the bullseye approach. This strategy involves writing down all of your financial goals and then ranking them based on priority. Place the most important goal at the center, like building financial security or creating an emergency fund. Then, other goals like saving for my children's education or planning for retirement can radiate outward. By visualizing your goals in this way, you create a roadmap for your financial journey. This exercise also helps you to see your goals clearly, which leads to better decision-making and less stress. As you start to break down your priorities, you'll find it easier to align your spending and savings with your core values. It becomes much easier to stay on track with your goals when you see them laid out in front of you, and it will help you feel more confident and in control. When you're clear on your goals, you're not just reacting to financial pressures, you're proactively making decisions that align with your vision. 2. Take small, consistent steps toward your goals. Big financial goals like saving for retirement or paying off significant debt can often feel daunting, especially when you're faced with other immediate financial challenges. But the key to financial success is not about making massive moves all at once. It's about taking small, consistent steps over time. By breaking down large goals into smaller, actionable tasks, you can build a foundation for long-term success and gradually reduce financial stress. Start by identifying the smallest possible step you can take toward a goal. Dr. Sonia Lutter, a financial wellness expert, suggests dedicating just 10 minutes a day to make progress toward your financial goals. Whether it's setting up auto pay for your bills, organizing your financial documents, or creating a budget, these small actions quickly add up. The beauty of this approach is that you don't need to dedicate hours of your day. Just a few minutes each day can make a huge difference. Over time, these incremental steps compound, creating momentum and reducing the anxiety that comes with feeling like you're not making progress. The more consistent you are with these small steps, the more confident you'll become in your financial abilities. By forming these habits, you start seeing tangible progress toward your larger financial goals. Every small victory builds your confidence and keeps you motivated to take the next step forward, reducing stress and creating positive momentum. 3. Consider partnering with a professional. Sometimes, seeking professional help can be the best decision you make when it comes to managing financial stress. Financial professionals, such as financial planners or advisors, can help you gain a clearer picture of your financial situation. They can also provide expert guidance on how to align your financial strategies with your long-term goals. If you're feeling uncertain about where to start, enlisting a professional could provide much-needed clarity. A financial advisor can help you evaluate your current savings and investments, determine the right retirement tools for your needs, and advise you on balancing short-term and long-term goals. Whether it's choosing the right investment vehicles, such as an IRA or 401k, or learning how to manage your debt more efficiently, professionals can help take the guesswork out of money management. They can even help you navigate life changes, like a career shift or an unexpected medical emergency, with a solid financial plan in place. By working with a financial professional, you're taking the guesswork out of your decision-making and ensuring that your plan is tailored to your unique circumstances. It's important to remember that you don't have to handle everything on your own. A trusted advisor can also help you adapt as your financial situation changes. giving you the confidence to make informed decisions. If working with a full-time advisor isn't in your budget, consider seeking targeted advice on an hourly basis or attending financial workshops to learn more about managing your money effectively. For make plans for the unexpected. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are good. Unexpected expenses such as medical bills, car repairs, or job transitions can create a lot of stress, especially if you don't have a financial cushion to fall back on. But the good news is that planning for these unexpected events can significantly reduce financial anxiety. By preparing for the unknown, you can weather life storms without derailing your financial stability. Start by building an emergency fund that covers at least 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. Having this safety net in place gives you the peace of mind to face unexpected financial challenges without having to rely on high-interest debt or emergency credit cards. In addition to your emergency fund, maintain a flexible budget that can adapt to changes in your income or expenses. Having a flexible budget allows you to quickly adjust when unexpected costs arise, making it easier to handle the financial shock without breaking your savings goals. You can also explore financial protection products like life insurance or annuities to protect yourself from larger financial risks. Diversifying your savings across different accounts and assets can further reduce risk and provide an extra layer of security. When you expect the unexpected, you're less likely to panic when life throws a curveball. By preparing for the unknown, you'll be able to keep your financial plan on track no matter what comes your way. 5. Celebrate your wins to maintain momentum. Financial success doesn't happen overnight, but every step forward is a victory. Acknowledging your progress, no matter how small, helps you maintain momentum and reduces the stress that comes from thinking you haven't made enough progress. As Dr. Lutter advises, celebrating your wins, whether big or small, helps reinforce positive behaviors and keeps you motivated to continue working toward your financial goals. One way to do this is by setting achievable milestones along the way. Whether it's reaching your savings goal for the month or successfully sticking to your budget for a few weeks, celebrate these small victories. Taking time to recognize your accomplishments helps you stay motivated and builds confidence. When you achieve a milestone, consider rewarding yourself with something that feels like an accomplishment, whether it's treating yourself to a nice dinner or taking time off to relax. This approach not only makes you feel good about your progress, but also provides a necessary boost to keep moving forward. The more you celebrate your successes, the easier it will be to stay on track and continue making progress toward your larger financial goals. By breaking down your goals into smaller milestones and celebrating when you hit them, you create a cycle of positive reinforcement that helps alleviate financial stress. Now that you know how to manage financial stress and anxiety, it's time to start taking action. By getting clear on your priorities, taking small steps, seeking professional help, planning for the unexpected, and celebrating your victories, you can turn financial stress into financial momentum. These strategies aren't just about managing stress. They're about building long-term financial resilience. You don't have to face financial uncertainty on your own. By using the right tools and strategies, you can create a financial future that brings peace of mind rather than anxiety. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable financial tips. And remember, taking control of your financial future doesn't happen all at once, but with patience and consistency, you can build the future you want. Let me know in the comments what steps you're taking to manage financial stress. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.